Yeah, we got this 2011 Chevrolet Camaro. It's got a random misfire. Doesn't change the spark plugs in it. So we're gonna do some coil packs and everything. So I just come in here and take all these bolts out, screws, get my fingers out of the way. I didn't change the spark plugs in all 6 cylinder. Once it started I'm getting hot, all these coil packs started on this side. Just 2 of them, the 2 I'm getting now, started misfiring. So I'm just gonna go in here and take them all loose. Let me see if I can put this one there. There we go. I don't do this much. I shouldn't have to, but some people don't watch YouTube. They be like, what's YouTube? I don't know what YouTube is. Excuse me. Down here is mosquito country. You know, it was hot. It was like 96 degrees today. I said, nope, I'm not sweating all day today. But anyway, we're gonna take this. Be very careful not to damage nothing. And turn that thing to the side. Let me see if I can put that back down in there. Come in between here. There you go. There's the coil pack. I don't understand why this thing looks sort of funky right there. It's big on one side, the other side. Get this one out. That's one that's bad. There's the other one that's bad. But what I got this set of Duralast coil packs. Hey, they come in new screws. Anything's dirty. They chromed up and everything. Yeah, there's the part number if you ever need a part number. Anyway, got some dielectric grease. I'm gonna put a little bit in that anyway. The other side is about the same. You just unplug it, take this pipe off. You got 3 of them in there. You just pull them out. We're gonna put this in there. Up in there. Well, if I can get it steady. There you go. Yeah, I'm just gonna slap a little go-go juice in there, just like that. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt. Got this insulation in there. Why these things a little different. There's one. Go ahead and put some more of this stuff in there, you know. I don't know what that green stuff is in there. That might be some kind of dielectric grease right there. I'll just give it a little dab. A little dabby dab. Yes, sir. Kind of hard right here. You got this little tab. Start it with your fingers. You gotta push it down as you go. And the third one. I'm gonna put some more of this stuff in there. Yeah, nah. It's spark plug boot protector promotion, but whatever. Just put a little bit in there. And these are like $300 for a whole set for your Camaro. 2011 Camaro 3.6 liter. But anyway, I'm not going to crank this thing up. I am going to test it out. Make sure it ain't skipping no more. Now, number 6 here and number 4 that was making all that misfire. But hopefully it'll work. Plug this back in, make sure you hear it click. Click, there's 1. Click, there's 2. Click, there's 3. Then I'm gonna put my bracket back on. Got a crazy dog in the background wanting to make noise. There we get that thing in the hole. There we go. There we go. And that's how you put a coil pack in a Camaro 3.6 liter. And by the way, this thing's almost got 300,000 miles on it, and it ain't never had them done, so I guess it lived to be a long life. Make sure you put your things back up here, just like that. That's good. Alright, here's one side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll talk to you later. Any questions? Like and subscribe. Thank you, sirs, ma'ams, children of all ages. 3.6 liter.